Start the vinyl plank in the adjoining room so the bathroom field aligns perfectly with the main floor. Measure and plan the layout so seams fall in full plank widths where possible and not directly at the doorway. Check and fix subfloor level variations greater than 1/4 inch over 10 feet using a feathering compound or plywood underlayment so the locking profile seats evenly. Bring the same plank product, same batch if possible, into the bathroom to match thickness, bevel, and color. Differences in wear layer and edge finish will show at the joint. Run planks in the same direction across both rooms to preserve visual flow and reduce perceived offset. If you can avoid a transition strip, do so by using a threshold detail of a recessed end cap or by routing the adjacent subfloor slightly to let the lock meet flush. Only use a strip when an expansion gap or height difference cannot be resolved. Allow for the manufacturer recommended expansion space around the perimeter and cover that gap discreetly with molding or caulk rated for floors and bathrooms. Use flexible sealant at the tub or shower interface to prevent water migration. When cutting at doorways, scribe the final row to the adjacent planks rather than guessing, and dry fit multiple times so the click joints seat without forcing, which can lift edges later. Common mistakes include starting the layout in the bathroom, which leads to a mismatched seam at the doorway, so always begin in the larger or main area and work toward the bathroom for alignment. Another frequent issue is ignoring subfloor flatness, which results in gaps or peaking. Check with a straight edge and correct high or low spots before installing. A third problem is mixing different plank profiles or thicknesses between rooms, which creates a visible and tactile step. Use the exact same product line and batch or transition deliberately with a trim if you cannot match. Each of these is solved by pre-planning, measuring, and leveling, and carrying enough material from one lot so everything locks uniformly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can execute seamless vinyl plank transitions and troubleshoot subfloor or product mismatch issues. We also help contractors find work and share practical tips in our discussion community where installers and homeowners exchange real-world solutions.